boyfriend's bathroom that we are going to be organizing today. We have these 2 boxes that we are dealing with. Got some stuff from the dollar store, which I highly recommend if you ever need some organizing things. Let's get started right now. You see, you still have things that you use every day, like the deodorant and things like that, kind of clean it up a little bit. And here are things that you want kind of like quick access to that you could or should use every day, like the vitamins. Got a little kale section over here. We get to the fun part right now. You have things that you typically are not gonna use like all the time. Like these are like long-term things, like if you need another mouthwash, your toilet paper, sunscreen, and stuff like that. These are your travel bags. You probably won't touch this cabinet a lot. Your shaver's right here. This is the best part. The key, I feel, to organizing is making sure you see everything. Hair stuff and your colognes right here. This is more of the skincare basket. The face washes, eye cream in here, acne stuff. Back here, all of your hair stuff is in here, the combs, the medicine, if you need some medicines up in here. Here is tooth stuff, like tooth and lotion type of thing. Oh, how am I gonna end the video? So I hope you guys enjoyed. I really want to start organizing stuff more. If you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know, or just let me know anything. So have a good day, drink some water, and stay organized.